Hey guys, welcome back. This video is going to be how to make gravity on Scratch, which is actually pretty cool. So first, of course, you're going to have to start with this block so that when you start it, you don't have to start with this. You can also start with a message block, which I prefer, but today I'm going to walk through this block and then these two. If the forever and the if blank then are not connected, then it won't work because you only have like a split second to do it. Now you're going to do this touching color equals false. False or true can be used on the equal block, and you put the touching color inside the equals and put it in the if block. Then you're going to have this repeat block. It's going to be repeat until blank, change y by -10, and then wait 0.03 seconds because it is the smoothest animation speed. So this is a repeat until touching the color that you want it or y that you want it to stop using gravity on. I definitely prefer the color because it is so much easier than the y. Now you're going to take this if block and put it inside the repeat until, because that shows it that it's going to repeat until touching this color. But if it touches something, if something else happens, then it could also possibly stop. It's the three ors combined and these Y positions. These Y positions you can get from the motion area and Y position right there. And these actually, you put it inside the equal block and you type the Y you want, because if the Y is that, then it will stop or continue doing something else. You're going to put one of these in every single little corner, every single little open spot. Now, for these Y blocks, this stops the gravity after it touches the Y, or you could just use a different color. But these go inside that if block, thus creating this. Now these two blocks are optional. If you want them, you could put them in here, which if you don't, then it will not really do anything. But you're going to take these stop this script and stop all. These are 100% optional. You can make it so that they teleport to the air, or you can add these for just a one-time use, I'm going to put one in here. So stop all actually completely stops the script. You have to restart the game. Stop this script just stops this. So we're going to press this, and it's going to fall. And it won't, once it's touching the black, because of it's false that it's not touching black. So now this whole thing stops basically. But it's true that it's not touching black now, and it will repeat. And here we go. It will keep going. It's actually pretty cool. I definitely recommend, if you were to make this, to add it so that you can move, so then you can experience it. I'm making a game on Scratch actually involving gravity. You should probably check that out. This basically concludes how to make gravity on Scratch. If you enjoyed, please smash the like button, and peace.